kita Hamin from the Philippines. Are you working exhaustively to earn money? Or tired of being a slave of a boss? Or no work at all, even begging to other people for food? MMM ideology. The main goal why Sergio Mavrodi created this community is to fight the unfair financial system of the world where the rich becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer. It aims to demolish the unfair world by making MMM we can achieve financial freedom. Thanks to MMM financial apocalypse, it's inevitable and avoidable. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It is a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer donations directly to the account of other members. There are also assigned system rewards called Mavro, which enjoyed by active participants and managers. MMM is not a bank. It is not a business, a company, nor an investment. It has no central account. We do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, we send our donations directly to the recipient's account. There are no promises, no guarantee. Besides, these are our donations to those participants who join the community that need help. There's no law that says donations are illegal. How MMM works? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't need to have a contract or pledge of your property. There are no lenders and debtors. Its idea is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one provides help. The only things that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You get financial assistance when you need it, and you provide financial assistance when you are able to do it. When you are already a member of MMM, you have your own PO or personal office. In your personal office, you can see the Provide Help and Get Help icon. Provide Help means to donate or give financial assistance, and Get Help means to ask for financial assistance or donation. How your donation works. For example, you donated $100. You will receive $100 Mavros in your PO or personal office. You can get 30% growth per month until the time of your Get Help. After 1 month, if you decide to get help, you can ask and receive $130. Your $100 will grow to 30% growth, which is equal to $130. How to send or receive donation. MMM use Bitcoin